In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix zoom on TradingView. If your chart suddenly looks squished, stretched, or you've lost sight of the price action altogether, don't worry. This quick method will bring everything back into view without changing your indicators, your drawings, or your layout. We're going to use the most reliable fix built right into the platform, and it takes just a couple of clicks. Here's the idea. When you've panned too far, zoomed deep into the past, or accidentally resized the price scale, your chart can feel impossible to manage. The Reset Chart View command tells TradingView to automatically recenter and rescale your chart so the most relevant data is visible again. Think of it as a clean slate for your current chart window, not a reset of your entire workspace. First, move your cursor to the main chart area. That's the pane where the candles or bars live, not the side panels or top toolbar. Make sure you're not clicking directly on a drawing or an indicator label because that can bring up object-specific options instead. Find a clear spot on the chart background and right-click. You should see a context menu appear with several chart-related commands. From that menu, select Reset Chart View. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically refit the chart. Price and time will snap back into a sensible frame, showing you the recent action without awkward gaps or extreme zoom levels. You'll usually see the most current bars centered and scaled so that highs and lows are comfortably visible, with enough room to read the price scale and candles clearly. A few helpful notes as you do this. Reset Chart View won't delete drawings or hide indicators, it only adjusts the view. If your chart contains multiple panes, like a separate indicator pane below the price, make sure you right-click on the price pane to reset the main view. If the context menu doesn't appear, try clicking on an empty area of the chart background and right-clicking again. And if your symbol has a very long history, the reset will still prioritize a practical fit around the most relevant recent data, so you can get right back to analyzing. That's really all there is to it. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Reset Chart View. It's the fastest, most reliable way to fix zoom issues and get your TradingView chart back under control so you can focus on your next trade.